How to change your billing address on Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your billing address on Amazon. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. I'll be showing you here on the application. You want to simply go ahead and open up the Amazon shopping application, and there you want to log into your account that you wish to change your billing address on. There you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. At the bottom you can see 5 different icons, right? You want to simply tap on the profile icon at the middle bottom. Once you do so, at the top you can see your orders, buy again, your account, and your list. You want to simply tap on your account option and then scroll down below under account settings. Somewhere there in between you should be able to find the option that says your address. You can see here on the screen your address option. You want to simply tap on it, and now here you can see my personal address. You want to simply tap on edit if you wish to edit that particular address, or you can simply tap on add a new address and you can add a new billing address there. If you just wish to add a new pickup location, you can tap on add a new pickup location as well and add it there. So this way you can change billing address on Amazon. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.